What's going on, guys? Listen, I'm back with a brand new strategy on how to make money with Clickbank. Now, we haven't talked about this one on this channel before, this specific strategy, and I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do this. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm super excited for this one. It's going to be good, and you don't need any experience to start doing this, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. And the best thing about this one, guys, I know you guys are always asking me, do we need to spend money? Do we need a website? No, you don't. So this method, you won't need to spend any money. I'll show you a way how you can do it for free, and you won't need to go and create a complicated website, because I know that a lot of you guys don't want to do that. And when I was starting to make money online, I didn't want to spend money on a website as well. Clickbank is a network where you find products on this network, and you can actually click promote, and you get a custom link that you can put on the internet or send to people, or you can run ads if you like. We're going to show you how to do it for free. And when you send people to that link, if someone makes a purchase, you get a commission. It's called an affiliate commission. This is called affiliate marketing. Now, there's always new strategies that are coming out, and I like to actually share them with you. Now, this strategy has been around for some time, but it's new to this channel, and we've never talked about it before. Now, before we jump into this video, make sure you smash that like button to go into the draw to win access to one of my courses, or to win some cash. We give away prizes on this channel. All you've got to do is find the emoji in this video. When you find that emoji, comment below with the emoji plus cash or course, so I know what one you want. You guys know what to do. I'll see you in the comment section. And make sure you also like the video so I know that you found that emoji. Now listen, guys, before we move on, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, because every single week I bring out the best videos online on how to make money. And make sure you tap that notification bell so you know when that video comes out, and make sure you smash that like button, and let's move on with the video. All right, guys, so the first thing we need to do in this tutorial is we need to choose a niche. Now, usually we would go and choose a product first, but in this tutorial, we're going to have to choose a niche first. Now, these are some of the best niches on Clickbank. Let me get rid of Twitter. We don't need that. These are some of the best niches on Clickbank that have the highest converting products and make the most money. So I've got the make money niche, which a lot of you guys probably are aware of, the health niche, and the fitness niche. Now, the reason I put the health and fitness niche separately is because there's actually different types of products and courses in those categories. Okay, so there's for example, there's fitness products where people have courses on how to get fit. There's also ebooks and other products on the best meal plans and stuff like that. So there's different products in these niches. Then we've got spirituality, and then we've got software. So these are probably the best niches for this example to go and find products in these niches to make money with. So let me show you exactly what I mean with an example. So in this video, we're going to go with this one here, the make money niche, just because it really is the most popular one on Clickbank, and people make really good money in that niche. But you don't have to use just this one, and in fact, you don't have to use just Clickbank. This will work with different affiliate marketing products, and even your own product if you have a product that you sell online. So let's get started. So we're going to go up the make money niche. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually go to Google. Now, what we're doing is we want to find some topics on this. So I'm going to put in tips to make money online. Okay. And we're going to actually use someone else's website for the traffic, and I'll explain to you how to do it, so you don't need your own website or anything like that. Okay, it's really, really cool to do. So I'm actually going to go down and click on 32 proven ways to make money fast, and this is from entrepreneur.com. And we're going to actually use this website, okay? Now, if you were in another niche, you could do something like fitness tips or health tips. It doesn't really matter what niche you're in. You just want to go and find a page with some really good information on it that is going to give people what they want, okay? So we've got 20 effective health and fitness tips, 20 great fitness tips, how to stay fit. You can use any one of these websites. It doesn't matter. You can use any website online for this particular strategy. But you want to find a website that has tips on it based on your product that you're going to promote, that we're going to choose in a minute. Okay, it's very important that you have these tips, or this isn't going to work, because we need to actually use these tips to get people to purchase our product. But I'm sure you can also think of your own ways to do this and find other websites in your niche to actually do this as well. So you don't need to do just this if you don't want to. So we're going to actually use this website here, okay? This page, I should say. We're going to use this to go and make money, and you're probably asking, how can I do that? I'm going to show you in a second, but first of all, we actually need to sign up to Clickbank. And now we need to actually find a product to promote in this niche. So what you want to do is you want to go to Clickbank and you want to click on sign up if you haven't signed up already. And we use this to find products to make affiliate marketing commissions. You just sign up and you put in your details. It's very simple to do. Once you've signed up, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. I'll just refresh it to make sure I'm still signed in. Yes, I am. You'll be taken to a page like this. You click on the marketplace. Now, this is where you find products to promote, where you get a commission. I'll go over Clickbank briefly, but most people that are watching this probably are already aware of what Clickbank is and how it actually works. But on the left, we have all of the categories that are that you can go and promote products from. And as I mentioned, these are the top ones on Clickbank that I know of that make the best money. So we're going to go and click on e-business and e-marketing. This is the make money online niche. And they do have sort of subcategories here, but I usually just go to the main one. Now, the ones that are at the top are the ones that have the most people selling them at this point of time. Okay, so there's, and all you got to do is you can actually open this up. You can see what the product is by doing that. Okay, you can go and check it out. So this is a software that transcribes for people. So you can go and check this out. But what you can also do is you can go to the JV page. This is the affiliate page. You can get emails and information and all that stuff if you need it for whatever promotion you're doing, okay? You don't need it for this one that I'm going to show you. So what we're going to do in this one, guys, is I'm going to scroll down. And before we move on, if you click promote, this is how you promote a product. And it goes generate hop links. And you're going to get a link that you can actually send traffic to. So what we're going to do in this one, guys, is we're going to go down and find one that I'm very familiar with. I've made money from this in the past. I know people that have made money with this product. And this is the Clickbank University. So this is a course on Clickbank from Clickbank. So it makes sense to maybe go and promote this one. But there are lots of other products that you can promote. But the reason why I'm choosing this one is because they have a high payout. You can make over $300 per commission. Okay, which is really, really good per sale. So you get $300 commission on average per sale. So you only need like 3 or 4 sales to get over your first $1,000 with this strategy. That's why I really, really like this one. The next thing you want to do is you want to actually go to a website called Sniply. So snip.ly. This is very important. We're going to actually use this. Now, this is a paid program, but you can use it for free. Okay. All you've got to do is you've got to go to, it'll ask you to sign up. Let me show you here. Sorry, I had to use a fresh browser because I was logged into the other one. You want to go to sign up and you want to go to just create an account. And it's going to create a free account for you. And then it's going to send you a code to your email. You put that code in and then you can log in and you can start using this product. And I'll show you now exactly what this does, okay? Very simple to do. So I'm actually logged in and once you're logged in, it'll look like this. Now you can use this free until you get to 1,000 clicks and then you will have to pay. Now, the thing is, once you get to 1,000 clicks, you should be making money anyway and you should be able to pay for this program. So you can use it for free right now. Sorry, I just had to delete something, so I want to make it look like it is on a brand new account so you don't miss anything. You want to go to click new call to action. On this new call to action, you're going to actually create a call to action that's going to go on the website that I showed you. And I'm just going to click Franklin, but you can actually create a new brand or you can put an image here if you like. But I'm going to click Franklin. I'm going to click button. And where it says enter your message, I'm going to go try this to earn money online. Now you can put whatever you want in. I've just done this for this training. You can put in as much as you want, right? And it'll go for as far as you want. But I'm just to keep this fast and concise and easy for you to understand, I'm going to do it quickly for you. And then we go. So it says try to earn money. Try this to earn money online! Exclamation mark. Click here to start. Click here to start. Okay. Now where it says URL, you want to put in your affiliate link. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to go to promote. And I'm going to go to generate hop link and I'm going to copy this link. I'm now going to go back to here and I'm going to paste it into here. And we're going to go continue. Now on this page, a lot of this stuff is locked. You would have to actually pay to unlock some of this stuff. That's how they make money, by keeping this going to give you other features. But I'm going to go finish CTA. and then I'm going to go to call to action. All right, guys, sorry, mine bugged out a bit. I had to check something, but what you want to do is you want to click on try on the thing that you created, and you want to go down to new snip, okay? And this is where you're going to create the link that you're going to send traffic to. So what you want to do is you want to go back to this page here, and you want to copy this page, the page that you found with the tips on it. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to paste it into here, and I'm going to go to snip. And then what's going to happen is it's going to give me this link where I can actually go back to that website. So it's snipping it. All right, now what this has actually done is it's given me a link that I can use to send people to. So if I go down here and I copy this link, and I'm going to go back to this page here, and I'm going to paste that link in, this should now send me to this page that I just created, and that I just found, and 32 proven ways to make money. It's actually put my affiliate link right here. So Franklin, try this to make money online. You can actually have a little logo down here if you want. You might not be able to see that. And if I go click here to start, it's actually going to send people to that offer, and I'm going to make money every time somebody makes a purchase. This is really powerful stuff. So let me show you exactly how it works here. What you're going to be doing is going to be sending traffic online, which we're going to be talking about in a second. You're going to send them to a specific page that you find, and it's best to have tips on it and stuff like that. And then when they click that button, they're going to go to the product, they're going to purchase, and you could potentially make some money. Okay, it's a really good system to use. Now, the next thing, because you don't have to have your own website, you don't have to have your own funnel or anything like that, you just use this. Now, the next thing is what kind of traffic should you be sending? Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about using Facebook for traffic, but you could use YouTube. You can go and do a video basically saying, hey, here's the best tips to how to make money. Here's the best tips to do fitness and do like slides if you want. And then in the description, you could have a link to that website. Or another one is actually using Cura.com, and I will leave a video below on how you can get traffic with that website using Clickbank. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with Facebook. So the first step is you want to actually go to facebook.com, and you want to go to groups, and you want to find groups based on your niche. So for example, make money. And this is completely free traffic. You don't have to spend any money. So there's a group here. We'll go to see all. We've got all of these groups you can join. Make money, 42,000 people, 213,000 people, 215,000 people, 34,000 people, 100,000 people. We've got all these groups you can join. If we put in fitness, for example, there's more groups that you can join if you're in the fitness niche. So this is how you go and get the traffic. This one here, we have 200,000, 19,000, 101,000. And all you do is you click and you go join group, and you can join any of these Facebook groups that you can go and post in with this free stuff. Let me show an example, one of my own groups, on how to actually do this. So I've got some groups. We'll go to my affiliate marketing group. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to get that link from Snippet here, and I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to go into here. I'm going to post that link, and an image should come up, and the image says here, 32 proven ways to make money online fast. And then you're actually going to write something, okay? Now, don't just spam. I'm going to do a short one just now, but think outside the box. Write something that you think is going to get people to click, but don't spam, just add value. I'll write something real quick, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so what I wrote is, hey, guys, if you're looking to get started online, I was reading this article that has 32 ways to get started online. I thought it would be pretty good and wanted to post it here. I'm not saying buy something. I'm not saying click my website, click my link. This is just something that I found online, and we're going to have that little notification popping up on the bottom that people can click if they like. Now, you're not going to get a high click-through rate, but if you send enough traffic, eventually it's going to build up, and you're going to make that first $1,000. So it is a really good way to get free traffic to any type of offer that you're doing. Facebook groups are really good because Facebook is pushing Facebook groups and stuff in Facebook groups right now. Like as I showed you, if we go to the groups and then go to make money, you'll see that there's lots of members in these groups, okay? 42,000, 213,000. There's lots of members in these groups. Now, this was a free way to learn how to do it with free traffic and stuff like that. If you want some more advanced training on this, I will leave a link below to my advanced Clickbank training that takes you through step by step on how to start your own Clickbank business online. We take you through everything. We take you through starting your foundation, niche research, website building, funnel building, email marketing, Clickbank Academy, Amazon affiliates, search engine optimization, paid traffic, free traffic, and other bonus methods as well. And here's some income from the stuff, and I've got case studies, all sorts of stuff that you can use to start your own Clickbank business. So click the link in the description if you want to check that out. If you want some more free training, click the videos on the top right on this video, and that will take you through step by step how to start your own business online for free. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any questions, let me know below, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.